Hola, Carlos. Hello. Hola, Carlos.
Stop! Josie! Don't fucking fuck!
Aí, ó. Meu Deus.
Hello.
Mommy. What the hell?
Holy shit! Allison Janney dead at 63.
No! No! Who? Oh my god!
That was weird.
Oh, Kris Jenner dead at 67. No!
Hard forehead.
It says Barbara Streisand dead at 80.
Are you fucking kidding me?
You're about to make me look like no bitch on TikTok.
Who that? Obama.
Oh my god.
What?
Kris Jenner dies at 79.
You're a fucking liar! That's a lie!
Holy shit. What? Simon Cowell dead at 63. No! No! You're kidding.
Oh my god, Kris Jenner dead at 67?
What?
Justin Bieber dead at 26?
Justin? Justin?
Justin Bieber!
Are you kidding? That's true? Oh my god!
Hey, what are you doing? Maybe, no.
No fucking way.
What?
Zac Efron dead at 35.
What? No!
Making